Before you choose a crypto exchange, there are a few things you absolutely need to understand. These matter way more than which platform you pick. First, never keep all your funds on an exchange. There's a popular rule in crypto: not your keys, not your crypto. When your funds are on an exchange, you don't control the private keys. The platform does. That means if something goes wrong, you may lose access to your money. Smart approach: use exchange for trading, not for long-term storage. Second, exchanges are not risk-free. Even large popular platforms can fail. We have already seen this happen. Millions of users lost access to their funds. This is called systemic risk. No matter how safe a platform looks, there is always a possibility of failure. That's why diversification matters. Never rely on just one exchange. Third, KYC and regulations. Most major exchanges require identity verification. This means uploading your ID, sometimes even facial verification. Why it matters? It affects your privacy, withdrawal limits, and access to features. If you plan to trade seriously, KYC is almost unavoidable. Fourth, fees. Fees might look small, but in day trading, they add up fast. Trading fees, withdrawal fees, spreads, they all impact your profits. Even a difference of 0.1% can make a huge impact over time. Always check trading fees, maker versus taker fees, hidden costs, because in trading, margins matter. Understand this basic first, then choose your exchange, because in crypto, what you don't know can cost you money.